Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the parts in your workspace. Lay out the thermal pad, chosen heatsink, isopropyl alcohol, and an ESD strap. Once grounded, power down and remove the SSD from the system or enclosure so you can work unobstructed. Clean the controller and NAND surfaces with a lint-free cloth and 90% plus isopropyl, then let them air dry for a minute or two. Make sure the thermal pad matches the pad thickness required by the heatsink, so you'll get consistent contact later. You now size and apply the thermal pad precisely. Measure the heatsink contact area and trim the pad so it covers only the controller and hot NAND, avoiding connectors and labels. Peel one backing and lay the pad onto the SSD, pressing evenly to eliminate air pockets. Once seated, peel the remaining backing and position the heatsink directly on top, align mounting holes or clips, and secure per the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure tension is even so the pad maintains full contact under the heatsink. You finish by reinstalling the SSD into the slot or enclosure, securing it with the original screw but avoid over-tightening. Hand tight is enough to keep consistent pressure. Once booted, run a short thermal stress test and monitor temperatures for 10 to 15 minutes. You should see a typical reduction of 5 to 15 degrees Celsius. If temperatures are higher than expected, make sure the pad covers the hot spots, remove and inspect for debris or trapped backing, and consider changing pad thickness for better contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.